Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping, and today I'm going to show you and explain how to install a camo clip. Alright, so this video is about camo clips. These are called Edge Camo Clips and they are absolutely fantastic. They provide a 4.5 mm gap. They are T-shape, but the design and the thought about it is very good, very fast. So these little wings or hands or something, they hug the actual joist, so that is why it's so fast to install so many of them straight away. And you can basically set them up like this, prepare them to whatever you like, and then what you do is you just straight away put the next board in. Camo clips come with this little tool. It's called a no miss guide. So you put it in like that, and then you screw it in, and then you screw it in. There you go. The idea about these clips is that you don't screw them. You technically shouldn't be using the impact driver. You should be using a drill with a torque control, because they can break the groove of the board. So you make sure you don't overtight, and maximum you get one click, and that's it. Simple. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, whatever, and let's go.